Ayun, nandito na tayo sa taas. Dito lang yan sa Lookerbad Mountain. Ayan. Super nice talaga, guys. Labas na tayo dito sa other side. Makikita natin dito ang view ng mountain at ang daming taong nag-i-ski dito. So ayun, magtitingin na sila sa schedule ng ano nila. So baba tayo. Tignan niyo guys, gaano kaganda. Ayan.
Okay, yes, we take this one. I think this is the place.
Yes, ayan. Makikita natin ang
And then
view.
walk down.
So lalabas na tayo. Makikita na natin ang buong view dito sa labas. So welcome to Lookerbad Mountain. Tignan niyo guys, ang daming tao ngayon. Baba na tayo.
Go and see the view there.
Yes. So ayun. Fresh ang snow niya dito. Good morning everyone. Welcome to Lookerbad Mountain. I am here in the mountain of Lookerbad and you can see nice.
Look, the little boys there were there.
And you can see, we can go there
Yes, we
just
want.
in the restaurant.
Petit le chou là, avec la luge.
Guys, makikita natin ang dami nag-iiski dito. Like small boys and a big boy. And here's the restaurant. But it's closed. It's a mini bar. Tignan ko sa inyo dito yung view. Ito yung panorama dito sa mountain. At makikita natin dito yung view ng mountain. From doon hanggang doon. Yan, makikita natin buong panorama view. So, yan, ipakita ko sa inyo ulit. From dito, ang ganda ng view dito, super nice. Yan, tapos dito rin, very fresh ano ang snow niya dito.
The other one is closed. Is this one open? We will take this back after.
So doon tayo maglalakad-lakad.
It's nice to walk because you don't need a racket. Huh?
Yes. Ang ganda ng weather ngayon, super nice.
And all the small children.
So guys, finally we are here on top of this mountain and you can see a lot of people doing the ski.
Merci, bon ski. Ouais, merci.
Oh, yun. Ang galing niya. So tara na guys, lakad na tayo. Di ba? Yun,
It's nice
tignan
up
ninyo.
here, huh?
Ang ganda dito, super nice. Ayan, ang ganda.
Okay, look, very small girls going to the ski.
Yeah, look, it's nice.
Yeah. It's a little bit. Ah, that's the lake, yeah. That's what they call the lake. In fact, is a reserve for the cannons, the snow cannons. Get it. It's
Ah,
not,
look,
see,
the
it's not-
small boy. Oh, very good in skiing. Oh, no. Oh. I thought that he will hit the
Bueno.
little boy.
They're brothers, you see.
Yeah, it's very nice. They know how to do it.
Rain.
Guys, so it's super warm. Although it's snowing here, but it's too warm.
What is this here? It's a reflection of the snow cannon.
Okay, just hold and film me. Let's go. Walking, going there.
Ouais, les beaux tons d'eau.
It's already cold.
Yeah. You just have to go down on the side, huh? Yeah, it's okay. Where you want.
It's so hard, the snow here. Guys, super hot. Super warm. Ah, there's a mark of the walking.
No, you can walk where you want. C'est bon, on t'a vu. So you do go down there, and where?
Here. So, ayun. So, ayun. So, ayun. Nandito na tayo sa taas. Dami nag-i-ski. Super nice. Okay guys, good morning Labuan, good morning Talisayan. Mega shoutout sa aking friend na si Beverly Corrales. Ngayon naging na siya, Duran na. Hello Beverly Duran and Raymond Duran and to Elodie and Zaira, mega shoutout. Takia Beverly, did you request? Yan film niya iyo. Takikitaaran na Lukerbad Mountain here in Valle, Switzerland. Di manadagat aratan ko ano, Tanski. Again, mega shoutout kay Beverly, Vebs Duran and Raymond Duran, and to the husband of Beverly, Raymond Duran, and then to Elodie, to Zaira, Beatrice. Mega shoutout and welcome to Lukerbad Mountain here in Valle, Switzerland. Tingnan niyo guys, ang ganda ng view dito, tapos ang daming snow. Ayan. Hello Talisayan, hello Mrs. Chen, my sis Chen. Mega shoutout to you watching from Talisayan. Heto na yung shoutout mo, nag-film ako dito para sa'yo. Mega shoutout to my sis Chen, the best friend of my sister Jovelyn. Welcome to Lukerbad, Switzerland, here in Valle. I'm here in Valle, Switzerland, here in the mountain of Valle, and this is the place where we are going to spend our weekend. Mega shoutout kay my sis Chen from Talisayan, Zamboanga City. Yes, the weather is nice, it's sunny. May, andito na yung request mo. Nag-shoutout na ako sa'yo. Shoutout kay Mai si Chen, kay Mai, ang best friend ng kapatid ko na si Jovelyn. Shoutout sa'yo. Ayan. Ang ganda ng view dito. Makikita lahat ng mountain. Tapos dito sa atin sa kabila, may madaming nag-i-ski din na tao dito. Again, mega shoutout kay Mai si Chen, kay Mai, best friend ng kapatid ko na si Jovelyn Bercasio. Shoutout sa iyo, mega shoutout. So, andito tayo ngayon sa Lukerbad Mountain dito sa Valle, Switzerland. Ayan. Sinong gusto magpa-shoutout? Just send me a message. Everywhere I go, I will shout out your name. Yes, yan. Yan, daming tao nag-ski dito. Mega shoutout kay Maisi Chen watching from Talisayan, Zamboanga City. Mega shoutout sa iyo, Mai. Mega shoutout sa grupo ni JR Senda, especially sa kanya, JR Senda from Lagpan, Zamboanga City sa Labuan, Purok 3. Mega shoutout sa iyo. Ayan, and welcome to Lukerbad Mountain here in Switzerland. Andito tayo ngayon sa Lukerbad. Ayan, mega shoutout kay JR Senda from Purok 4 ba yan siya? Purok 3. Purok 3, Labuan, Zamboanga City, Lagpan, Zamboanga City, Labuan, Lagpan, Zamboanga City. Mega shout out. Nakikitaaran na Lookerbad Mountain. Yan. Again, mega shout out JR Senda. Kay Ano, shout out Alico Niño, especially Alico family and friends from Lagpan. Ayan siya guys, tignan ninyo, ang ganda ng place na to. Ayan, ang dami nag-i-ski ngayon. Mainit siya, at the same time, malamig. Ang weather mainit. Sasakay tayo dyan mamaya, tapos nasa lift tayo, magbibideo ako. Kahit saan ka magano, kahit saan yung view maganda. Lakad tayo. Andito tayo sa snowy place. This is my favorite, guys. Super init. Tapos malamig. Ayan. Nasa bundok tayo ng snow. Ayan siya. Ayan. Lahat ng mga tao dyan sa Labuan, especially sa Lagpan, mega shoutout sa inyong lahat. Especially kay JR Senda, sa family Senda, sa mga Lagpan, sa mga tao dyan, mega shoutout sa inyong lahat. Andito tayo sa Lookerbad, Switzerland, dito sa mountain ng Valley. Ayan. Mega shoutout sa aking pinsan na si Ate Cheryl, sa anak niya, kay Edmond, at sa husband na sa wife ni Edmond na si Jonaline. Mega shoutout sa inyong lahat. Hello kay Ate Cheryl Bercasio. Cheryl Bercasio and Edmond Bercasio. Mega shoutout sa inyong dalawa, te. Miss ko kayo. And welcome to Lookerbad, Switzerland. I'm here in the mountain of Switzerland, here in Valley. Makikita natin ang view dito, ang buong panorama. Ayan. Mega shoutout Ate Cheryl and Edmond Bercasio. My cousin and my cousin from Manila, Quezon City. Yan.
Oui, c'est bon.
Hello guys, welcome to Lookerbad Mountain. I'm here in the famous ski resort, or you can see a lot of people are doing the ski, and I'm here in the panorama of the mountain, and you can see the view of the mountain from here and this side. Everywhere is 360, and all the view of the mountain you can see. It's so beautiful. Yes. Ayun, ang daming nag-i-ski. From here, everywhere. It's a lot of snow. And here also. Yan. So, hayun. Na-enjoy na natin ang walk natin dito. So, pupunta na tayo doon sa kabila. Yeah, you can go and I'll just follow you. So, yun, ipakita ko sa inyo. Andito tayo sa taas Ayan. Tapos magla-live tayo ng konti dito para ipakita ko lang sa inyo yung view. Super nice, ganda talaga.